Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Nanwal and today we will be starting with the numerical based on how to calculate the static indeterminacy of structures. The basic concepts we all have discussed in earlier lectures. Today we will be discussing the numerical part. So this is the first numerical that is given this for two-dimensional frame shown in figure. Find the value of degree of static indeterminate. So this is the frame where this is internal hinge that is given, and it is one side it is supported by hinge support and one side roller support. So first of all, for calculating you must remember the formula. So for in formula we need the value of number of members and joints. Members here we can count with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1 is 11. Number of members are 11. Okay, and number of joints are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this one is 8. So number of joints are 8. Now I have told you for calculating there are the value of ds we have two formulas. We can approach by two methods. One is by calculating degree of static indeterminacy. First of all we need to calculate the value of external indeterminacy, then internal indeterminacy. So for calculating the value of external indeterminacy we need the value of Re minus R. Re is the external reactions. So here value of external reactions are, what is the value? This is the hinge support, so there will be number of reaction will be 2, and here it is a roller support, it is this one will be 3. So external reactions are 3 and equilibrium equations are 3. So Re value is 3 minus 3, that comes out to be 0. So externally this structure is the value of ds is 0. So now for calculating the value of degree of static indeterminacy internally we need the value. Remember the formula. What was the formula for the frame? The formula was 3c minus summation of m dash minus 1. This was the formula. So here what is the value of c? So here number of closed loops are 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the number of closed loops. So here the value will be 3 times c. C is the number of closed loops. Closed loops are 4 minus summation m dash. Number of members joining the internal hinge are 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So here it will be 12 minus 2 minus 1 is 1. So the here value will be of dsi will be 11. So the total degree of static indeterminacy will be external is 0 plus 11 internal, so it will be 11. So here value of ds is 11. So this is how you need to calculate the value of static indeterminacy. I hope you guys remember this formula which I have written, that for internal indeterminacy we have discussed that part in the earlier lecture. The formula was that for we have discussed for internal this one. For rigid frames here the value was for internal degree of static indeterminacy it was 3c minus rr, and rr is the number of internal reaction release. Okay, so now this is how you calculate the value of ds. You can also calculate the value with the second approach, that was the direct formula. For that we can write the formula as now the formula was d for degree of static indeterminacy was 3 times m plus re minus 3J. This was the formula. 3 times member plus external reactions minus 3 times joint minus, this was the joint, minus RR, number of released reactions. Okay, so the formula we can directly put 3 times 11. 11 is number of members plus external reactions are 3 minus, now we need the value of joint. Joints are 8 minus RR. Here RR value is 1. Okay, now solve it. This is 33 plus 3 is 36 minus 24 minus 1. So 36 minus 24 comes out to be 12, and 12 minus 1 is 11. So here the value of DS is 11. This is the second approach. Now we come to the second numerical that says the for 3D hybrid frame shown in figure, find the value of DS. So this is the frame in which there is an internal hinge, and now this is the case of 3D. So you need to use the formula of 3D. So in 3D this is a fixed support, so number of reactions will be 6. Now I have told you that for 2D fixed support you have 3 reaction, and for 3D fixed support you have 6 reactions. So it is fixed, so 6 reaction here, 6 reaction here, and for a hinge 3D support you have 3 reaction, and for this is also in, so it will also have 3 reaction. So the value of RE, external reactions, are 6 plus 6 plus 6 comes out to be 18. And for calculating the members are, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So number of members are 9, and number of joints are, for calculating the joints, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, and this one is 9. So number of joints are 9. Now we have the value of external reaction, we have the value of members, we have the value of joint. Now you know the formula for the DS, that is degree of external indeterminacy plus degree of internal indeterminacy, and the formula for external indeterminacies is RE minus R, where RE is the external reaction and R is the number of equilibrium equations. So here value of RE is 18, and number of equilibrium equation in case of 3D structures is 6. So the value of DSE becomes 18 minus 6, that is 12. So now we have the value of DSE externally. Now we need to calculate the value of DSI. Here the formula for DSI you must remember, in case of frames that 2 of 3D, the formula was for calculating the value of DSI was 6 times C minus RR. Okay, this was the formula where C is the number of closed loops. Okay, now for calculating the value of RR, here in case of 3D, for calculating the value of RR, the formula was summation of 3 times m dash minus 1. The formula, this is the formula. So now put the values. The value of m dash is, the two members are joining at internal hinge 1. So 2 minus 1. So this is the value of RR becomes 3. So now the value of DSI will be 6 times C. C is the value of number of closed loops. So here this is the closed loop. So number of closed loops are 1. Okay, so value of C becomes 1 minus RR value is 3. So the value of DSI becomes 6 minus 3 is 3. So the value of RR is 3. Now For calculating the value of ds, the formula was external plus internal. Now put the values. D external is 12 and internal is 3. So total the value of ds is 15. So this is how you need to calculate the value of ds in case of 3D structures, 3D frames, okay, rigid frame. Now the second approach was the direct formula. So the direct formula you can write down. Second approach, that says the value of ds was based on the formula, that is 6 times, now 6 times the member plus re minus 6 times j. Now you have to calculate the value, the here the formula becomes 6 times j minus rr. So this is the formula. So put the value 6 times m, number of members are 9. So put the values 9 plus, now Rm is 18 minus 6j. J is the value of joints. Joints are also 9. Now put the value 9 minus Rr. The value of released reactions is 3. So put the value 3. Now solve this. This becomes 54 plus 18. This becomes 54. This becomes minus 3. Okay. Now 54 get cancelled and it is 18 minus 3. So the formula, the value is 15. So by using direct formula also you can get the value of ts. So this is how you will solve the numerical. Now we will do the part of the beam also. For calculating the static indeterminacy of a beam, first of all you must remember there are two approaches that you need to remember. First one says that the beams are treated like rigid jointed plane frame. Okay, so beams are treated like rigid jointed plane frame of open configuration. Open configuration because there is no closed loop in beam. So this is the beam, suppose this is the beam, here it is fixed and one is hinge support. So how will you calculate? You will treat this beam as rigid jointed frame and follow the same steps as you followed in the frame. So first of all the formula will be ds equal to dse plus dsi. For calculating the value of dse, here will be re minus 3. So re minus 3 will be here number of reactions, here it will be reaction will be 3, here it is 2, so it will be 3 and 2 5 minus 3. So dse will be 2. Okay, and this is the value of ds is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay, now for calculating the value of dsi, here dsi will become dsi, as it is a case of rigid jointed plane frame, it will be 3 times c minus rr. See here closed loop is 0, so it will be 3 times 0 will be 0. So there is no closed loop, therefore this structure and this value is also 0 as there is no hybridization. So in that case the value of dsi becomes 0. So total value of ds is dependent on external static indeterminacy. So the value of ds is 2. Alternatively, you can also calculate the value of ds by direct formula, that is 3m plus re minus 3j minus rr. This is the formula of rigid jointed plane frame. Now simply number of members are 1. So put the value of m is equal to 1. So 3 times 1 plus RRE. RE is the external reaction. 3 to 5 reactions are there, minus joints are 1 and 2. Joints are 2. So the value of J is 2. 3 times 2 and RR is 0 as there is no internal hinges here. So in that case the value of ds comes out to be 2. So the value of ds is here and here it is same. So you need to treat the beam as a rigid jointed plane frame. Okay. Now second approach says that in this approach the beams are converted into cantilever. You need to convert the beam into cantilever by removing the support reactions, and constraints are added to hybrid joints. That means if this is the beam, suppose example must be given here. uh, this is the beam, okay, this is the fixed and this is the uh, hinge end. So you need to make the beam as cantilever. So how will you make the beam cantilever? So you have to make the beam like this. So you need to remove these reactions from B point. So I have removed these two reactions. So number of reactions that you have removed are 2. Okay. So number of reaction you have removed is 2. So that you need to remember. So now the formula for the second approach is that the value of ds will be equal to support reactions that you have removed. Okay, that is very important point, that you have removed, minus the constraints added to hybrid joints. constraints added to hybrid joints मतलब कितना इसमें हाइब्रिड जॉइंट है. सो इस केस में इस बीम में कोई हाइब्रिड जॉइंट नहीं है, मतलब कोई इंटरनल हिंज नहीं है. दैट मीन्स द वैल्यू विल बी ज़ीरो. कॉन्स्टेंट्स की वैल्यू कितने ऐड करेंगे हम? जीरो. सो हेयर सपोर्ट रिएक्शन रिमूव टू मेक द बीम कैंटिलीवर इज HBRB. There is no hybrid joint, so constant added will be 0. The formula is ds equal to number of reactions removed minus the constants added. 2 minus 0, the value of 2. So by second approach also you can get the same value. So I hope you have understand both the concept. Now we will take one example of the beam. So the example says find the static indeterminacy of the beam. So the beam is given like this. It is supported here, hinge support, this is roller support, this is roller support, and this one is fixed support. So how will you calculate the value of ds? So first of all, there are two approaches you need to remember. So first approach says that you need to treat the beam as rigid jointed frame. Now here the count the value of external reaction. Here the reactions will be 2, 1, 1, 3. So the value of Re will be 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 7. So number of external reactions are 7. So what is the value of ds? The formula for ds will be rigid frame will be 3 times m plus Re minus 3j, okay, minus Rr. So this was the formula. So for that put the values. Number of members are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 members plus Re. External reactions are 7 minus 3 times J. Joints are, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So number of joints are 5 minus Rr. The value of Rr is summation of m dash minus 1. So the m dash value will be 2. 2 members are joining at internal hinge. So 2 minus 1. So put the value 2 minus 1. So here it will be 12 plus 7 minus 15 minus 1. So 12 plus 7 will be 19, and 19 minus 16, that will give you the value of ds. So 19 minus 16 will give you 3. So here the value of ds comes out to be 3. So this is how you need to calculate by approach 1. Now second approach, you have to make the beam as cantilever. So how will you make this beam as cantilever? You have to remove number of reaction you have to remove will be this and this one and this one, so that this beam becomes cantilever. So if I want to remove, number of reaction removed will be 2, 1 this one and 1 this one. So 2, 3, 4. So the value of ds will be The number of reactions removed are 4. 2, 3, 4 minus the number of constant that is added. So here there was one internal hinge. So constant added will be 1. One internal hinge is there. So the value of ds will be 4 minus 1 will be 3. So this is how you need to calculate. This was the second approach, that was the first approach. So this is how you can solve the numerical based on beam. So for now, thank you very much.